everyone, welcome back to Yoshi Family, and today we are going to be continuing the finance series. If you missed last week's episode, please go check it out. We have a playlist and I will link it down below for you, so check that out before you watch this one. But anyways guys, let's get into it. Now let me ask you a question. Let's say hypothetically something happened to your car today or tomorrow. Would you be okay financially wise? And I'll give you a second to respond.
A few moments later.
Now, if you hesitated even for a little bit, this is your sign to build an emergency fund. We're going to break it out in simple steps, no stress, no shame. Let's just keep it real. Saving isn't about being rich, it's about being ready. As life happens, unexpected things will occur. Vet bills, hospital visits, car repair shop, something happens to your phone, maybe something you need to help your kid with, and the list could go on and on. Your emergency fund is going to help you be expected for the unexpected. Saving is how you can turn a crisis into an inconvenience instead of a complete disaster. Now, what is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is kind of like a financial duct tape. It's gonna hold everything together when shit hits the fan. An emergency fund is money set aside for unexpected necessary expenses. Now, it is not used for things like sales, holiday shopping, vacations, or even gambling. Now, what you would want to use it for are, again, unexpected expenses, right? Maybe something happened to your car, an unexpected hospital visit, or if unfortunately you lose your job. Now, it's not about predicting the emergency, but this is allowing you to be as best prepared as you can if unexpected things happen. So now that you're actually on board on why an emergency fund matters, let's talk about where you're going to store that money. Because it's not in a regular checking account, it's not going to be in your regular savings account, it won't be in a cookie drawer, and definitely not under your mattress. You want this emergency fund to grow as it sits. So what I would recommend is having a high yield savings account or a money market account. These are great for keeping your money safe, but also still earning a bit of interest. Now, some good high yield savings account options could be companies like Ally, Capital One, or SoFi. Now, as you do your research and try to see which one is the best fit for you, you will see the term APY, which stands for annual percentage yield. Basically, this is the real rate of your return that you'll earn over the course of the year, including compound interest. And yes, we love compound interest. It's like interest that's been hitting the gym and bulking up. Not only are these companies legit, but they are FDIC insured, which means your money is protected no matter what. So let's say, for example, you put $5,000 in a high yield savings account with a 4% APY. You'd earn around $200 in a year without even lifting a finger. And having your money in a high yield savings account, or HYSA, is going to help your money grow instead of your money doing absolutely nothing or collecting $1 in a year if it was in a regular checking account or savings account.
Now let's look at a visual of what an emergency fund can look like. This is an example for someone where their total monthly expenses is equivalent to $2,500. Now this is going to look different for everybody. Right here you can see rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and the list goes on. But you might fall into the category of someone that takes their pet to the vet every month, someone that pays for certain insurances that I don't have listed here. So this is going to look differently for everybody depending on what you have going on in your life and what your expenses are. Now, if your total monthly expenses are $2,500, then what you're going to do is times that by 3 to know what is your 3-month emergency fund supposed to be. And to get your 6 months, you would times your monthly expenses by 6 to get your 6-month emergency fund total. So you can see here it is quite a large amount. This is something that might take you a year, a few years. It's going to look differently for everybody. So just be patient with yourself and save what you can.
Now you might be thinking, Yoshi, I would love to save, but I'm barely making ends meet. And that's okay. I got you. All you have to do is start somewhere. Now, here are some ways you can stack your emergency fund if your budget is a little tight. There are roundup apps you can use like Chime or Acorn. You can even automate saving at least $5 to $10 a week. Hey, at least that's something. You can even cancel one subscription that you don't need, and there's also some cash back apps as well. Even having $50 in your high yield savings account is better than zero. You're building your foundation brick by brick. Now here's your action step that I would recommend. Number one, figure out how much your high yield savings needs to be, and realistically, you need to have 3 to 6 months of expenses in your high yield savings account. Number two, open a high yield savings account. And number three, look at your budget and save what you can. If you missed my budget video from last week, please check it out. I went over the 50-30-20 rule. If you cannot save the 20%, then at least start somewhere. If it's $10 a month, $25 a month, hey, that's better than nothing. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and if it has, hit that like button, hit subscribe. There's going to be some more financial videos coming out this month, every Tuesday. We do go live every Thursday and every Sunday as well. So join our journey. We love to have you. I am Brother Yoshi, signing out. Bye.